electronic pager explosions in Lebanon.
A few months back,
Why are we not able to trace the communication of Hezbollah? What's going behind all this?
Sir, we have been hearing it from our intel that Hezbollah is using pagers to communicate.
Oh, pagers. You mean that conventional one?
Yes, sir.
I don't think they are manufacturing it. They must be importing from some other country.
Sir, according to sources, they are importing it from Taiwan.
Taiwan. Okay, I have a plan. Are we all set for the D-Day?
Yes, sir. All set.
Okay. Let the cinema begin.